Tired of swiping your credit card at 11 Labs to buy more credits just to generate more voice files? You want options. Well, I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I went on a quest to unearth a couple really high quality alternatives to 11 Labs. A couple which are free and another paid offering which you may have heard of that has some really attractive plans. So if you want to save some money while keeping the quality high, let's go.
We are on the air.
So right off the top, let's set some expectations. This isn't going to be a comprehensive deep dive of every free or cheap service online. No. There's plenty of other YouTube videos that, are pitching these 11 Labs alternatives. And I'll have to be honest with you, I sometimes have taken the bait and oh my goodness, they're just robo junk. They're true AI slop. And you shouldn't touch them with a 10-foot headphone cord. No, we're only dealing with quality here because whatever we put on our air has to sing, has to sound good. It can't repel listeners. It has to attract and delight people.
The very free and conversational Google AI Studio.
The free and surprisingly good Hugging Face project.
Minimax, the paid alternative to 11 Labs.
And of course, the AI voice OG, 11 Labs.
So here's how this is going to go down. I'm going to paste in some of my radio station liners that I talked about in a previous video, how to create really personality-rich station liner voiceovers, and we'll see how each of these platforms perform. And I'll be completely honest, you're going to be so sick and tired of hearing these same lines over and over again, but we have to kind of set a benchmark for testing purposes to hear how each AI voice gen service, knocks these voices out. How do they handle inflection and tonality and emotion? That's really important. First up, something completely off the radar. This project on Hugging Face really blew me away, and we're going to kick the tires on a couple of their voice offerings.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Not bad. Let's check out a male voice.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Well, they don't pack a ton of voice options under the hood, and some of these names are so wacky. I have no idea the gender. They are pretty high quality. So let's just keep kind of cycling here and see what we get. Spinning the AI wheel.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Oh, I dig that. So once you like something, you simply just download the MP3. And one note, these are 24K and they're mono, but that's not a problem. I just bring them into Audacity.
Triple X 80s.
The first thing I do is I resample them to 44.1, as you see right here. Then I hit them with the secret sauce, one of my Audacity macros.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Totally transforms the sound. That is broadcast ready to hit the air. And under the hood here, this is my special AI voice macro. It's doing a lot of things. Yes, it's compressing it, it's normalizing it, it's EQing some of the nasty AI artifacts, but it's also adjusting the tempo by 2% to add a little more life to this AI voice. If you haven't already picked up these Audacity macros and you're looking to save a ton of time and produce really high quality sound, check out the link in the description. Okay, coming up next, the paid competitor to 11 Labs, Minimax. Yes, the prices are very attractive. You do get more credits. I don't think they offer as many voices as 11 Labs, but we'll test out the ones that I had access to.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
And mainly for comparison, we have 11 Labs in the ring.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
There's a reason 11 Labs is the go-to spot for AI voices for so many. It's just damn good. Maybe that last voice you heard wasn't a true testament to the quality, but it is, and they have a ton of voices to choose from, and I will continue to use them. But coming up next, something definitely in your budget, Google AI Studio's very free offering.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
Here's what pegged my meters and made me sit up. The conversational quality of these voices in Google's AI Studio really was just so impressive. Watch what happens when we bump the temperature up.
Triple X 80s. It's not easy playing all these 80s songs. That's why we're heavily sedated.
At first, when she started that read, I was like, this is a little wonky. But wow, did she sell it at the end. I didn't have to do any fancy prompting regarding adding emotion tags or cues. The model just knew to interpret that script in that way. Now, of course, adjusting the temperature setting helps, and that really lets you expand the creative output. But I mean, she took it to a place that I really would never have imagined. So super impressed with Google AI Studio. Before we jump into prompt 2, I just want to acknowledge, yes, I know there's a lot of AI voice services online. This is play.ht. A lot of you like this. They offer a lot of quality voices, but it is expensive. It's pricier than ElevenLabs. The point of this video was to save your pockets from being picked. Another great service, which I started my AI voice journey with, was Murf.ai. I like them, but like play.ht, they're expensive. For prompt number 2, we're back in Hugging Face with this free and capable AI voice model.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba. Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
So if that floats our dinghy, we pop it into Audacity, hit it with my AI voice macro, and see what we get.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
Me likey. And I especially likey that it's just one click to great sound. And back to Mini Max to test out 2 male voices.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
That's nice. I really dig how he got into it and got emotional. Okay, popping back to Google AI Studio.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
As you could see, we nudged the temperature to 1.15 for that. Let's keep it there and try out another male voice.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
To show you what a difference that makes, let's reset the temperature for that voice.
Triple X 80s. The only thing better than our music? Cats fighting while mom runs the blender and little Timmy practices the tuba.
To underscore the point, what you're getting with Google AI voices is just that conversation tonality that I haven't found from a lot of the other AI voice services. Their voices may not have that classic radio announcer sound, but where they do shine is offering authentic voices. And right now in their library, they have 30 to choose from, all with really cryptic, non-binary names that I can't make heads or tails of, but thankfully you can preview each of the voices right here in the dropdown. Something else I dig is their multi-speaker option.
Triple X 80s.
It's not easy playing all these 80s songs.
That's why we're heavily sedated.
I love how he laughed a little before his read, and once again, I didn't have to cue any of this.
Triple X 80s.
It's not easy playing all these 80s songs.
That's why we're heavily sedated.
Triple X 80s.
It's not easy playing all these 80s songs.
That's why we're heavily sedated.
Obviously, Google isn't the only multi-speaker game in town, no. ElevenLabs really came out swinging when they launched their V3 model, and I did a whole video on that, and I got some great output. This time, not so much.
Serious, Triple X 80s.
It's not easy playing all these 80s songs.
Serious, that's why we're heavily sedated. Serious, Triple X 80s.
It's not easy playing all these 80s songs.
That's why we're heavily sedated.
Sure, this could have been a glitch because I was previously pretty impressed, but it's AI. It's kind of like your crazy ex who's off their meds. You never know what you're going to get. If you've heard me run these gums for any length of time, you know my position on cheaping out on robo crap. Don't do it. I mean, this is your station's reputation. This is either going to hold a listener or it's going to repel a listener. The moment they hear robotic, non-human sounding voices, most of them are out. So don't waste your listeners' time and don't waste an opportunity to make a true connection with a new listener because you wanted to save 3.5 cents by going with some cheapskate, AI voice service online. Spend the extra money. This is your sound. And once again, our sound is our only product. This is our main offering. It's how we communicate our value, our brand voice, our personality. So if you're not using human voices to do this, you really better put in the extra effort to make sure your AI voices, knock it out of the park. And for our final prompt, we're back over in Hugging Face to give this little ditty a squeeze.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
This is why I included this rando free AI voice project, because the reads just sound believably good. All the emphasis is in the right spots, and I'm not prompting this. All you could see is that one little note I said sarcastic radio DJ, but the model is interpreting the emotions. Now we're giving that script to the captivating female voice at Minimax.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry, we've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry, we've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
Now let's see how Hope from ElevenLabs does.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry, we've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
Something I've always loved about ElevenLabs is the control. These different sliders here on the right for stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. This really helps you fine-tune a read.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
I think Cassidy's a great voice at ElevenLabs, and that was a winner to me. Now we jump back over to Google for the last robo word. And for this test, I really want to play around with the temperature settings.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
Now let's try something we haven't done yet. Let's turn the temperature down a little.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
And we'll hand the AI mic over to Corey for the last word.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
Ready to go nuts? Let's jack this temperature up to 1.1.
XXX80s. If you don't like this song, don't worry. We've got 2,850 more equally questionable choices.
Again, just a head shaker. I am wildly impressed with her interpretation of that script when I just turn over creative freedom to her. Maybe 1.1's a little too high, but back that off a bit. Now I'm incredibly curious about giving her her own show on my all 80s juggernaut, XXX80s.com. I really think listeners would lean in and wonder, God, what's she going to say next? And yes, ding, 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 that is what we're going for. For those of you radio commandos who are already using my AI DJ system, RoboDJ, well, how does this affect you? I've heard from you, and I understand your desire to, have more options when it comes to AI voice generation. Because right now, RoboDJ ships with ElevenLabs integrated. Now, recently I added a drop-down where you can actually control which model you use to save money, but I hear you. You want more options. Based on my initial testing with the voices out of Google's AI Studio, I am really impressed. I have not heard more conversational sounding output. So I'd like to hear from you. If you are curious to find out what a integration with the Google AI voices would be like, let me know. I mean, before you even say yes, I want you to test these out on your own. You know, feed in some of your past scripts that have been generated from the, content prompts within RoboDJ and get a feeling of the output. Does it match what you're looking for? Do the voices really perform at a level that your station demands? Well, only you know the answers to these questions. So much of this is subjective. Because you've seen from all the updates since RoboDJ was released, this software only is going to get better and better. And with your input and with your great ideas, I know that's the only trajectory that we could, take. And if you haven't tried RoboDJ, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? This thing now integrates with a ton of software titles. Check out the description for all that info. But for the real juicy deal, just hit that link right there on the screen. Head over to RoboRadioDJ.com for the full nitty-gritty and for the super cool 7-day test drive. Use it, abuse it, try out all the premium features for absolutely free. And then, if it works for you, great, we could take it to the next step. But I don't want you to buy it now. I want you to try it, test it, and make sure it works for you. So like I said, this is far from a comprehensive overview of every AI voice site online. That's not the point. This is mainly to show you that alternatives to expensive ElevenLabs do exist, and you just have to try them out and search them out. I mean, the thing on Hugging Face, that just came out of nowhere. What a wonderful gold nugget to stumble into. So put on your Indiana Jones hat and continue to go adventuring to find some of these cool AI voice services. And when you do find something, well, come on, don't hoard it, share it. I want to know all about the cool tools that you find because, hey, bottom line, we're all here to help each other. And that's what this community is about. And I do so appreciate your time. Hopefully you got something from this little ditty. If you did, oh my goodness, you could shoot me to the moon with a like and a subscribe. Thank you so much. And until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.